Hi and welcome to the second part of the complementary information of the tip of this mount. The subject was gradient and we are exploring the contour line tool, showing how we did the image that was the cover. You can see the full tutorial in the description, so let's do it. We got a line in a separate layer and we got all the colors on another one. And we are using the contour line tool, changing some settings right there because the initial settings preserves the black color, so you can add all your transitions only in your colors. By changing some quick settings, you see that we could cover all those parts, and it's really easy to do it, really fun, and speeds a lot the process instead of making a selection on my own and filling with different colors and blending with a soft brush and maybe even different layer modes. Then we duplicate the image, and by holding the Alt key you can resize it with the center as a guide, so it will not resize on the edges, it will resize towards the center. Then I use it Ctrl U to change the hue. You can also use color balance if you want. Color balance has more features and it can help a lot. As you can see, when we talk specifically over a tool or over some configurations, the idea is not to use only this. The idea is to try to put this knowledge into your workflow so you can easily do things that would take you so much more time. For example, as you can see, we got here a sphere with a gradient, and it was quickly done instead of using a soft brush, then making a selection and getting all things together to work properly. So that's the idea, how you can increase your workflow speed and keep a nice look, keep a nice things working well. Then I start to do other things like adding layer masks to hide the parts that are overlapping the circle, and I changed the gray tones for gray screen tones. Then I add another layer to do some kind of contour. Oh, by the way, in this character that you are seeing, as we did in the tip, the initial idea of lighting was put together with a normal gradient. Then later we go there and add more tones. In this case we are using the soft brush to keep that idea of not using only one tool, but using them as a complementary mix of tools that will work together. And this is very nice, it's very nice indeed. Well, that's it. Hope you like this tip, and I really hope that we can improve together. Every day we can add something more to our library, and this will eventually help us to complete our projects, okay? So until the next time, take care.